Hola! Now let's have the part 2 of our lesson in geometric mean. That is finding two or more geometric means. So kapag two or more geometric means na yung hinahanap natin, we will be using this formula. Okay? Pero kapag isa lang ang geometric mean na hahanapin mo, babalikan mo lang yung previous lesson natin, which is the square root of A multiplied by B. Okay? So ngayon, ang formula natin for two or more or finding two or more geometric means, we have here R. This is the common ratio. So ang hinahanap natin dito is the common ratio para malaman natin kung ano yung mga geometric means between two given non-consecutive terms in our geometric sequence. So we have here R is equal to n minus 1. So we call this n minus 1 as the index. Okay? Parang sa ano lang yan. Kunya, sa square root. So the index in square root of A, yung index dyan kapag walang naka-indicate, automatically that is 2. Okay? But here, ang ating index is n minus 1, where n ay yung kung ilang terms or pang ilang terms yung hinahanap natin. We have the n minus 1 root of a sub n. A sub n, that's the last term na given natin. So, nandiyan na yung n natin, and a sub 1 is the first term. Okay? So, now, let us use this formula in this example. So, we have to insert three geometric means between 1 and 16. So, ibig sabihin nun, are given two non-consecutive terms in the geometric sequence are 1 at saka 16. So, non-consecutive sila, that means hindi sila magkasunod. And then, meron tayong geometric means in between these two terms na to, which are 1 and 16. So, we need to insert three geometric means. So, tatlo niyan na blank ang ilalagay natin. Yan yung isosolve natin. So, we call this the geometric means or the GM. Okay? So, now let us solve that using the formula. So, solve natin. We have 1. A sub 1 natin will be 1. And A sub n natin ay 16. Ngayon, kung titignan natin yan, bilangin natin kung ilan lahat ang terms natin in this sequence. So, we have A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, and A sub 5. So, yung A sub 5 natin, it can be A sub n yan. Kasi siya naman yung last term natin. And, ang number of terms natin in this sequence is 5. Okay? So, magiging n natin dyan ay 5. So, now, let's use the formula. Let's solve for R. So, solve natin ang R, the common ratio. We have R is equal to n minus 1 root of A sub n over A sub 1. So, we have R is equal to n natin ay 5. So, 5 minus 1 root of A sub n. A sub n is 16 over A sub 1. So, 1. So, R is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4. Start muna tayo dito sa index. So, we have the fourth root of, what is 16? Divide by 1. So, pwede na natin i-divide dyan. So, the answer is 16. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung fourth root of 16 without choosing calculator, lagi tayo mag-iisip ng number. Pag mas mataas ang index, that means mas mababa yung number na root nung base natin or the radicand. Okay? So, mag-start muna kayo sa pinakamababang number. So, let's start with 2. So, isip tayo ng number na kapag minultiply natin ng 4 na beses, we will get 16. So, try natin ng 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So, ang fourth root of 16 ay 2. So, R is equal to positive, negative 2. So, ang R natin laging automatic meron siyang positive or negative. Okay? So, same lang yan sa lesson nyo sa quadratic equation. So, ang R natin, it can be positive. Ibig sabihin niyan, pwede siyang maging positive 2, pwede rin siyang maging negative 2. Okay? So, let's go back dun sa ating lesson dun sa ating given kanina. So, we have 1, and then, tatlong blank, then 16. Tama? So, kung isa-solve natin yan, when R, pili muna tayo kasi dalawa yung sign ng R natin. So, when R is positive 2 muna. So, magmumultiply tayo niyan ng positive 2. So, multiply positive 2. So, 1 times 2, that's 2. Times 2, that's 4. Then, times 2, that's 8. So, kapag minultiply ko pa yan ng 2, makukuha ko na yung last term, which is 16. So, yan yung possible answer natin. So, we have 2, 4, 8 when R is 2. How about when R is negative 2? So, same pa rin. Mga possible answer itong mga to. So, multiply natin naman ng negative 2. So, negative 2. So, 1 times negative 2, that's negative 2. Then, multiply it again ng negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, that's positive 4. And then, positive 4 times negative 2, that's negative 8. So, ito naman yung possible answer natin when R is negative 2. So, therefore, ang answer natin dyan, ang magiging answer natin dyan, the geometric means when R is 2, R 2, 4, and 8. While when R is negative 2, ay, masyadong kumapal. And change natin. R is negative 2, the GM, the geometric means are negative 2, positive 4, and negative 8. Okay? So, yan yung magiging possible answer natin. Pwede siya ng positive 2, positive 4, and positive 8. Pag R natin ay positive 2. Pero kapag negative 2, ang R natin, possible answer natin ay negative 2, positive 4, and negative 8. So, that's it for example number 2. I hope naintindihan nyo yung topic natin in this lesson. Okay? So, bye!